from Bugeye Guys. This is Floyd, a Bugeye that's going home to its residence in Connecticut, and Stretch in front of Floyd. Both of these cars are owned by the same guy. So if you were gonna have two Bugeyes, this was his expression of that. Floyd is a funky, kind of modified, just kind of throw everything at it kind of color scheme, and a very nice car, all sorted out. It came to us for this on this trip for a flip forward nose conversion, which we've completed. And it's so nice to just take this car around the block. Just now there's literally nothing on its punch list. And this is Stretch. Stretch came to us for a twin tip exhaust conversion and all the stuff we sell in our catalog, but we are frequently fitting these things to cars in our building when they come in for service or restoration. What I really wanted to show you though before these two cars go home is Stretch. Take a look at that door, and then if you look back at Floyd, the door looks pretty much the same, but actually Stretch is a 5-inch longer car, hence the name. It's one that we cut in half probably 15 years ago and inserted a section of rocker panel, and we sandwiched two doors together to make this a long wheelbase model, 5 inches longer, easier access for getting in and out. And it was originally inspired by a fellow who in high school could climb right into his Bugeye. But he said to me, I'll take one if you can make it 5 inches longer. Stretch is the result. It's now got a new home with a different owner, and he's just enjoying a little bit more cockpit access, but he can drive both, as evidenced by him picking Floyd as well, which is a standard length car. Let's take a look in the cockpit and see if you can pick up any of the things that are clues. Here it looks pretty much just like any other Bugeye, except you might notice there's quite a bit of room behind the seat, because most of these cars we're driving it with the seat all the way back. And in the case of Floyd, that's where I need it for my leg length. I'm 5'8". You might be able to see here that the door cockpit trim is longer, and that's because we cut and welded that and seamed the two pieces together and polished it so you wouldn't be able to tell. That's obviously an extra large door pocket. But we cut the car right in front of the e-brake handle and inserted a section right about there of tunnel and of floor and rocker panel to just elongate the car. We made a custom drive shaft, and the result is a long wheelbase Bugeye, which I have to tell you, it drives a little more like an MGB, but if you didn't know that you were getting into a long wheelbase Bugeye, I don't think you'd be able to tell. Anyway, those are two of the cars that we've prepared here this week. Both going home in a trailer shortly. It's pretty rare to see this much snow on our driveway. It melts pretty quickly, but at least there's no salt in it, just a little bit wet. Anyway, these cars will be heading back to their new home. And if you have a car that you want attended to, we were picking them up, one in Minnesota this week, Arizona, all over the country, and we'd be happy to bring it here and add whatever improvements or sorting that you need here at Bugeye Guys. Thanks for watching.